So next, I will attempt to make my program wait for a certain period of time. To find out about this, I went back to Google and then typed in Python make my program wait. One of the first links there was this website called stackoverflow.com. Now this will soon become one of your favorite websites as a programmer. It suggested to use something called time.sleep, which suspends the program for a given number of seconds. Okay, back to the program. Now since I'm still in testing phase, I will try to suspend the program only for about 10 seconds. We can change this number later. I also know that I have to import the time module. Okay, let's save this and run. All right, it seems like the program is waiting for a few seconds before it opens the web browser. Another item bites the dust.